When you're planning your garden, where do you want to plant your beets? Well, beets love to be planted next to corn, garlic, lettuce, and mint. They're great companion plants in something that's called companion planting. Companion planting is when you plant things next to each other that are going to encourage the growth of each other. So beets love corn, garlic, lettuce, and mint. So plant them next to each other and you'll do just fine. Now, if you like beet greens, what we do with our beet greens is we saute them in some onions, garlic, and a little bit of butter, and we just love them. But not everybody likes the taste of beet greens because they're very strong. So if you're looking at your beet greens and saying, okay, I love the beets, but I don't know what to do with the beet greens, they are fantastic for your compost. They put in iron and manganese back into your soil, which are two minerals that are much needed in your garden. So you can take all your beet greens, compost them, and then take those beautiful nutrients and put them back in your garden. This is all part of companion planting, which I highly recommend. I've been gardening this way for years and I absolutely love it. And you have a great day.